I can't explain it. Hope you hear what I'm saying. I'm loving your vibe. Won't let you play the side.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this look that was requested so much. It's basically the look from my last vlog, but my hair is different. I basically just recreated that look. Even though it's super simple, I still recreated it for you guys because you guys wanted to know how I did it. And I just kept getting questions. I changed my hair. I always change my hair, but I decided to use the thumbnail when my hair was slicked back because that's how I had my hair in the vlog. Excuse my hair. Yeah, I tried to do my edges. I tried to even take them out before I did my makeup, but I still managed to get makeup up in them, so now they kind of look white. They basically look white, like they dirty, but it's not. I promise you, it's just a makeup. First, I'm going to prime my face. For my face, I'm going to, did I use this primer? I think I did, yeah. For my face, I'm going to use my Maybelline Baby Skin Primer, Instant Pore Erase Primer. That's what I'm gonna use. I want to bring my baby hairs down so like I won't put makeup by them because I hate putting makeup on my baby hairs. Like I hate getting makeup on my baby hairs. It's like so irritating. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using my Lancome 24-hour makeup foundation in the color 460 Swoop Pumps. I usually use with this foundation and it covers my whole face, but we'll see since I have a sponge now. So just tap it, face. It looks way lighter than me on camera, but it's not. Do y'all see that wood? Do y'all see that wood? I look old with this like thing on. Anyways, next we're gonna do concealer. And for concealer, I'm gonna put on, wait, which look am I doing again? Okay, I know which look. My bad, y'all. Yeah, I'm tripping. I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color medium beige. And then I'm gonna take the same concealer but in a different shade, which would be fawn, which I picked up the wrong freaking fawn. This is an empty one. Damn it. I don't think I'm getting anything out of this. Nope. Oh, okay. Yeah, I do not like for my face to be super bright. Overly bright? No. No. I'm just spreading it out. What am I talking about? Yeah, I really like this sponge. All the Sephoras I was going to didn't have anything. Like, I'm surprised this Sephora had it. And that just happened to be going up in there. I wasn't even well, every time I go to Sephora now, I look at the Fenty aisle. But I don't know. I just wasn't expecting it. Maybe that's why it was there. I wasn't expecting it. Wow. I really love this sponge. Oh my gosh, like A1. I'm gonna do this on my finger. And I'm gonna take the bottom and just, you know, make sure these lines right here aren't harsh. The concealer lines on my forehead, my chin, under my chin, just because I want to make sure that foundation is blended out. I'll take the sponge first and make sure there's no wrinkles, of course, and then set. Oh my gosh, yeah, I set too much. Okay, that day I didn't even set it like this. I took some powder and poured it up in the top, and then I took my e.l.f. blush brush and did this. That's what I did. I did like bake a little bit, but I didn't do it like I did that side. I don't know what I was thinking. Like this. I'm gonna take some powder from here and set my nose with it. I gotta do both sides the same, y'all. I have to do both sides the same. That's just how I am. Next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I just brush them up. Right? So basically just take an eyeshadow, a matte one. That's what I like to use. I'm taking a black matte eyeshadow. I've been using eyeshadow lately. I love how it looks. It just looks so much more natural to me. All right, now let's brush out the brows. How you looking on camera? Just brush them up and out. That's basically how I do my brows. And if anything, I'll just clean them up a little bit and straighten them up at the end. Next, I'm going to wipe off my translucent powder, but first I'm gonna do this with my eyes because I'm gonna wipe it off and also use the excess of it to set my my lid. With my brows, I don't really have to set my brows like that anymore because it's eyeshadow, so it's gonna be matte, you know, regardless. Next, I'm gonna set the rest of my face with my L'Oreal True Matte. I'm almost out of it. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. I'm gonna just set it and to take off some of that translucent powder that look like it's still there. I'm going to take my L'Oreal True Match powder again, but in a different shade, and I'm gonna take this contour brush and I'm going to do my face, okay? All right. That's pretty much it with the whole contour. Now we're going to do, we could do wing eye, no, first eyeshadow. This color right here. This color right here. And I put that in my, I put that all over my lid actually. Just put it all over your lid. Any orange shadow that you, well, it's not really orange, it's like it's like a cinnamon orange, like, you know, I don't know, it's just a really pretty color to me. I just put it all over, y'all. Just like, just use the whole pan of it. No, I'm just kidding, don't do that. All right, so this is like, okay, I was mad when this happened, when this broke, but it's like it opened up something for me. Oh my gosh, okay, let me just show y'all. So wait, this is my Hard Candy Baked Bronzer. So Baked Bronzer in 130 Tropics. Y'all always use this. Y'all probably like, girl, we are tired of using that. Yeah. This is like, okay, oh my gosh, I can't show it because, oh, I'm gonna show one piece. Do y'all see that gold in this chunk of bronzer that I have? I hope y'all can see it. It really looked like gold. My highlighter broke, right? Like, look at it, it's broke. The inside of it had like that gold in it. Like, that's like, what the heck? That's crazy. The outside is just like brown, you know, but the inside is like gold. So I took that gold and just put it over my lid, and oh my gosh, I didn't even wet the brush, and oh my gosh, y'all, let me get a brush. I put that all over my lid. Look at this shadow. It's like really gold on my lids. It's gold on my lids. The black. Took the black. I took the black that I use for my brows out of this palette, and I like put it I put very lightly and put it like on top of where I put the gold, like above my crease. Yeah, above my crease. Now I am going to do wing eyeliner, and for wing eyeliner I use my L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar liquid eyeliner. And how I do my wing liner, y'all, oh my gosh, I got this wing liner under my nails. Oh my gosh, no. Funny thing, I'm itching. Am I breaking out? And one of y'all asked me, was that a hickey on my neck in my vlog last one? Wait, that didn't make sense. In my last vlog, like, girl, no, I'm just playing. It really wasn't a hickey though. I don't even know which part you was talking about though, but it wasn't a hickey. I don't do those. I don't know. I just don't like hickeys. I don't like how they look. Alright, I didn't do bottom lash mascara. I add on this Kiko highlighter. So this is a Kiko eyeshadow in the color 200. This is, like, honestly, I need to try another highlighter shade. This is the only shade I get. And then I took my eyeshadow brush, handy dandy eyeshadow brush, and I put this. Oh, I have fallout under my eyes. What the heck? I didn't even realize it. Oh my gosh, I put too much on my nose. Oh my gosh, no. I put way too much. There we go. I say I put too much and then add more. So backwards. But now I'm gonna put on my lip. That's what I did that day. I'm going to take that bronzer and just put it in the middle of my lid. And I'm gonna take that orange shade that I used. Well, I'm keep calling it the orange shade, but it's like cinnamon, but y'all know what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna just drag that. I'm gonna actually put a lot of that. I'm gonna layer that color. I'm gonna take my MAC lip liner in the color Cork and use this on my outer. Yeah, this feels so creamy when you like put it on after you like your lips are moisturized instead of putting on dry lips. It feels so much more creamier. Now I'm gonna use my Mented Cosmetics lipstick in the color Peach Please. I love that name. I'm gonna just put that on top of this color. These Mented lipsticks smell so freaking good, y'all. Oh my gosh. And after that, I took like a, this is super wet, so I don't think it's gonna work how I, oh, this part of it is dry. I could try this part, but I took a napkin or a tissue and just like, yeah, I should know that wasn't gonna work because it's wet. And I put a little bit of translucent powder on my lips. I remember doing that as well. Put a little bit of translucent powder. Okay, so this is the finished result. This is a finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I'm about to call my baby. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Y'all already trying to peep. Y'all really trying to peep. Y'all trying to peep. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I tried to strike a pose and I dropped something. Sorry, I was thirsty. And y'all, this is Del Taco, but Del Taco and Wendy's pink lemonade, well, strawberry lemonade is so bomb. Like, oh my gosh, that was so random, but it's so bomb. That's irritating. Okay. Oh, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, y'all. I was trying to build it up. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. My Instagram and my Twitter are the same. It's at blaican, BLAICAN. And then my Snapchat is at ASTLEYJ. So yeah, follow me on there. I'm just kicking back now. Bye guys.